everyone. In this video, we would be talking about financial markets and one more classification of financial market. We talked about capital market, money market, forex market, derivative market. Now we are talking about the commodity market. Now, commodity is also a part of the financial instruments and is now widely traded across the market. Now, let us understand, when we talk about commodity, we need to understand the classification of commodities. What becomes a part of the commodity market? So, broadly speaking, commodity market can be classified as agri commodities and non-agri commodities. In agri commodities, we consider all agricultural products like grains, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. In non-agri commodities, again two broad classification happens, which is metals and energies. In energies, we mean coal, gasoline, crude, etc. Whereas metals again have two broad classification. One is base metals and the other is precious metals. In base metals, we talk about iron, steel, copper, aluminum, etc. In precious metals, these are 5 precious metals traded worldwide: gold, silver, platinum, palladium and rhodium. Rhodium happens to be the costliest metal traded worldwide, whereas silver happens to be the cheapest precious metal traded worldwide. Now, in Indian market, traditionally being an agricultural market, commodity market is a big size market. In the unorganized segment, we have a lot of mandis. In organized segment, we have registered mandis, and if we go one step more, we have the nationalized commodity exchanges. So, two major exchanges which are working as the commodity markets are NCDEX and MCX. So, these are the major two commodity exchanges having wide range of commodities traded, but we need to understand that these commodity exchanges are trading in commodity derivatives. Commodity derivatives means the same instruments that we talked about in derivatives, that means forwards, futures, options and swaps. So, currently the instrument which is there on the commodity exchanges are futures and the recent permission given for gold options. So, we have now futures and options as two instruments being a part of these commodity markets. That is all for the commodity markets. Now, just to recap all the financial instruments that we have done, let us try to have the instruments lined up for all these markets one by one. When we talk about capital market, we broadly said these are two instruments, equity and debt. The instruments are either we call them ordinary shares, that is ordinary shares, or DVRs, NVRs, preference shares, and we might have variety of debt instruments also. In fact, we have a lot of variety of debt instruments. So, these are the instruments of long term funds known as capital market instruments. Then money market instruments, treasury bills, call money, notice money, term money, CBLO, repo, MSF, bank rate, certificate of deposit, and then commercial paper. So, these are the instruments of money market. In forex, starting from 1 day, cash for T, Tom T plus 1, spot T plus 2, next T plus 3, and 12-month forwards. In derivatives, 4 instruments: forwards, futures, options, and swaps. Commodity market, again the same instruments: futures and options. So this is the overall view. When we talk about regulator, commodity market regulator is SEBI, and as far as derivative is concerned, we again have SEBI plus in certain regulations even RBI is also participating. So broadly 2 regulators here, SEBI, RBI, regulating the entire financial market. Thank you very much.